Okay, so what if you want to make a lot of money, but you don't know how and you don't have any skills? What if you work in the service industry as a waitress, which I used to do in the past? If that's the case, you know what you do? Because as much as as much as you need waitresses and you need, all the people working in the service industry and working a 9 to 5, even though you need all that stuff, there's no money in it. Not much, anyways. So what you do in that case is that you use the money from your job and you invest on the side. So you're like working your 9 to 5 job or whatever, and then on the side you're like investing in crypto, investing in Bitcoin, and then you could learn how to like start trading maybe on the weekends a little bit, do a little bit here and there, and that's how you accumulate wealth. So you could still work a 9 to 5, you could still work a service job, you don't have to have any skills, and you could still make money. Okay, bye.